Here is how to troubleshoot a pink line on your Samsung phone screen. If you see a pink line, something like this on your Samsung phone, you need to go ahead and open your phone app and dial star hash 0 star hash. This will take you to a testing menu. Tap on the red, green, and blue to check if any of these tests solve the issue. If not, you can return to the previous menu and restart your phone. Hold down the power button and your volume down button together, and there you'll get the option of restart. Go ahead and select it. Remember to restart your device twice. And if the problem persists after restarting, it may be a hardware issue requiring a professional repair. So take your phone to the nearest repairing center, and this might definitely help you fix the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.